Hello Dolphin users. Our data recovery lab has received one Hitachi hard drive case. So this is one case when users send the case to us, the drive cannot be detected on the PC, and now we have connected this patient hard drive to the DFL SRP hardware. I have connected to the SATA 0. Now let's try to open the power on the hard drive and see what happens. Now the drive can get ready. Now let's try to scan the bad sectors and see. Now we can see that read source disk ID error. That means the hard drive ID information cannot be detected. So at this time, there is one very helpful function in the DFL Hitachi or in the DFL DDP data recovery software. Now we can simply click the 2.5 virtual translator function, and now we can see that there is a family selection. Because this drive has some problems, so the family cannot be detected correctly. Now we try to select this one because we can see this one very clearly from the label. Now this is a head 0. Now that means we can load the playlist from head 0. We can click OK, and let's check if this one will be successful or not. Now here we can from the log to check the virtual translator execution failed. That means the head 0 is damaged. So at this time, we need to check the function again. Now we need to select different head. Now let's check. Select the family again, and we need to change the head 0 to head 1 and click OK. Now we can see that the virtual translator execution success. So at this time, let's try to scan the bad sectors again. To scan the bad sectors, now we can see that the hard drive ID has been well and correctly detected. The capacity and the serial number are both correct. Now let's try to scan the hard drive. This kind of scan is to show that the data error is accessible. So we can see that there are some bad sectors and it's very slow at this time. From the common failure fix for the translator issue, we can see that the head 0 has some problem. So we can use the selective head image to image the head 1 first and then image the head 0. However, we have fixed this drive now and the data error has been accessible. So the only thing we need to do is to do the selective head image using the DFL DDP data recovery program. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope all users from Dolphin Data Lab can get the high success rate of HDD repair and data recovery. Any question is welcome to the sales at dolphindatalab.com or add a Dolphin Data Lab official Skype ID dolphin.data.net. Thank you for watching this video.